As I'm fumbling with the remote, it started beeping really bad. So I knew the batteries were dying or dead. And luckily I had some in the boat. Right there, I took the old ones out, and now I'm changing them. It's trying to do fly home, which we started out like way away. Got the batteries in, trying to gain control over it right now, raising it up a little bit. It's acting a little funny. I'm trying to bring it back to me, and it's really not wanting to come back to me. See how far away I am? So now I'm bringing it back. This thing has really started acting crazy. I mean, it was trying so hard to go home. And now I think what's happening is that I think that from turning around and coming all the way back, I think that the battery's really low, so it's actually probably, you know, again trying to return home. Now when I got to this point right here, it would not come back to the boat. Like I was turning around, it would only fly one direction. It'd go up and down, left and right, but it would not go back. Right now I'm trying to bring it back. It just wouldn't do it. It wasn't having it. For some reason it was like it was attracted to this roof or this house or something like that. It was really crazy. But so basically and I was way over there in the boat, and I couldn't tell whether this house had a pool or not. It looked like that would have been a perfect spot for a pool, so I could have dropped it in their yard. So basically now what I'm doing is I'm turning the boat. I'm going to go dock on this stranger's dock and try to land it in their yard safely. And actually my son's driving the boat. I'm handling the helicopter. He's never docked a boat before. So we're talking about like super hectic here. And I actually had the hat cam on. So I haven't been able to find that footage, but I'm sure that there was a lot of profanity and excitement and stuff like that. Yeah, at this time, I mean, I just tried so hard to bring it to me and it wouldn't come. I thought about trying to land on that dock, but there's like about a 12-foot gap between the dock and that shoreline, and I'd already lost one gimbal and GoPro because of mud, so I wasn't going to take a chance with it. At this point, I don't really know if anybody's home, if they're going to get mad at me, I don't know what, but really I didn't care. I just wanted to get up there, get it, hopefully talk my way out of it, and get my drone back and head for the house. It was descending right now on its own, right in the trees. I think I'm running up the dock right now about this time. I remember telling my 7-year-old, it's like, hey Charlotte, run up and knock on the door and tell them what we're doing, so they didn't say some hippie looking guy running around their yard with a remote control and looking up funny. So I sent my cute little daughter up there to pat it a little bit. Now it's trying hard to go down, and I'm pushing up on it, trying hard to keep it out of these trees. I mean, every time I let off the stick, it would try to go down. I think right here I'm trying one more time to bring it back, and it just stopped. It just like stopped. Now I'm raising it back up. I'm running the rest of the way up the dock and through these trees, try to find a safe place to put it down. Come real close to hitting the top of that tree right there. And we've got a nice green grass soft landing right here. You see my little baby running up to knock on the door. And boom! Nice soft landing. Yep, it's pretty exciting here.
Come on. I don't even think anybody's there. I cannot believe this thing.
Did you see that? It was like attracted to that yard. What? So it was going away from, go. So it was going back towards where we took it off. Oh my God. Yeah, because it turned it off. All right, hop in. Let's go. Let's go back to the house. You're right. Just start easing over there. Wow. Holy cow. So our new rule of thumb is? Check the batteries more often. Find a device to check the
Wow, that was close
charge on the batteries before flying.